Good morning, my name is Hanisah binti Muhammad Tukiman. I would like to present about the case study of design and application of geosynthetic in slope. Okay, first for the aim or purpose. The aim is to carry out the case study of design and application in geosynthetics in slope through the journals by conducting a detailed site investigation and selecting permeable for design reinforced slope with other type of retaining structure. Next, for the materials used in this case study are natural geotextile that made up of jute and coarse sisal, and synthetic geotextile. The natural geotextile drapes quickly and takes the form of contour. Even the surface of the hill undulate due to the high flexibility. The numerous numerical and physical studies have been carried out to study the behavior, stability, and performance of retaining geosynthetic reinforced structure subjected to different conditions. Next, for the procedure, geotextile or GGT will act as an umbrella when it laid on the slopey surface, and it will decrease the impact of rainfall that can cause soil particle detachment, followed by runoff. The thick diameter of yarn fabric can hold the soil from flowing down. The slope is stabilized during this process, and the area is covered with vegetation. This technique is called bioengineering approach, which is highly effective for slope stabilization. Based on the figure, there are two types of geogrid were used as reinforcement. As you can see, the type 1 of geogrid is made up of woven polyester fiber with rectangular aperture that will be placed in bottom tier of reinforced slope. Meanwhile, the type 2 of geogrid is made up of woven polyester fiber with square aperture that will be placed in the upper 3 tier. Numerical analysis, the failure mechanism of reinforced slope are analyzed using both limit equilibrium and finite difference analysis to evaluate the reinforced slope stabilities, and it also can locate the failure surface on the reinforced slope. Next, for the data, facts and ideas. In September 21st, 1999, a major collapse of strengthened slope after Chichi earthquake happened at section 40 meter long. Hence, the cautious field study was carried out to analyze reinforcement. Based on the position, the slope height along the approaching path and height the strengthened slope zone varied from 10 meter to 14 meter. According to the field observation, it indicates the failure was strongly related to the clay layer. It can be overcome by several investigations that have been carried out to identify its location, thickness, depth, and any various effect on the stability of this reinforced slope. Also, by increasing the shear strain extended upslope along the back of the reinforced zone into natural slope to form a shallow sliding surface. Next, for the learning outcomes and action. As we all know, without a suitable geosynthetic solution, the slope will easily collapse because there will no support the slope, especially for steep angle slope. The selection of permeable material as backfill, proper installation of drainage system, and combination of design of reinforced slope with other type of retaining structure to improve global stability of the system. Besides, By observing the nature, stability, and efficiency of the strengthened geosynthetic retaining system subjected to different conditions. For example, can differentiate the gravel or clay interface cohesion under dry and wet conditions. To be concluded, to design the suitable geosynthetic in slope, identifying the earth structure and type of soil are one of the most important things to do. Simply design without the site investigation will cause the slope to be collapsed. Besides, there are so many types of natural geotextile and synthetic geotextiles. However, the vegetative method by natural geotextile is not very effective. But when plants grow and their roots and shoot stem develop, their capacity to retain soil increases. That's all from me, Nur Hanisah binti Muhammad Tukiman. Thank you.